Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I've got a special review of the Sweet Talk Wig short lace front wavy crop by Eva Gabor Wigs. If you've been on the hunt for a chic, versatile wig that brings a fresh, trendy vibe, keep watching because this might just be what you're looking for. So what is the Sweet Talk Wig? It's a short lace front wig with a wavy crop design, offering a fun and flirty look. The main selling points here are its temple-to-temple lace front and monofilament part, both of which aim to make the wig look as natural as possible. It's made with Flexlite synthetic hair, which promises to give you that volume and texture while still feeling lightweight. The velvet-lined ear tabs and extended nape provide extra comfort, and you get ultra-thin adjusters at the nape for a customizable fit. Now, let's talk about my experience with this wig. First off, I was really impressed by how easy it was to style. Out of the box, the wig was pretty much ready to wear, but I did give it a quick finger comb to loosen up the waves a bit more. The lace front is pretty seamless, and it does blend nicely with your natural hairline, which I appreciate when I'm trying to pull off a more realistic look. The monofilament part definitely helps here too, giving the illusion of real scalp lines, which is always a win. As for the fit, the velvet-lined ear tabs and extended nape made the wig feel really comfortable, which is important for me, especially when wearing a wig for extended periods. I didn't experience any irritation, and the ultra-thin adjusters meant I could fine-tune the fit to my head shape without feeling too tight. The Flexlite synthetic hair is soft, but still has that ideal fullness, giving the wig a nice body without it looking overly poofy. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, this wig looks and feels incredibly natural thanks to the lace front and the monofilament part. The fit is adjustable, so you're able to get a custom feel. It's also very comfortable to wear, especially for those with sensitive scalps. The synthetic hair holds its shape well, even after a few wears. But one thing I did notice is that the waves can lose some definition if you don't give it a little love after wearing. So keep a wig spray or comb on hand to maintain that fresh look. In terms of value, this wig does come with a slightly higher price tag, but you're definitely getting what you pay for. The natural look, ease of styling, and comfortable fit all justify the cost in my opinion. Plus, the durability of the synthetic hair makes it worth investing in, especially if you plan to wear it frequently. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other synthetic wigs in a similar price range, but I'd say they're not quite on the same level when it comes to comfort and realistic styling. Eva Gabor Wigs are known for their quality, so if you want something that feels premium, this is a solid choice. When it comes to build quality, I can definitely see this wig lasting for a long time with proper care. The construction feels sturdy, and the velvet-lined ear tabs add to the overall comfort. As for longevity, the synthetic hair doesn't seem like it will fray or lose its shape easily with normal wear. But just be mindful of how you store it to keep the style intact. Now, I haven't had to interact with customer support for this product, but Eva Gabor has a solid reputation in the industry, so I'd imagine they handle inquiries pretty well. To wrap this up, I think the Sweet Talk Wig is a great choice if you're looking for a comfortable, stylish, and natural-looking wig. The lace front, monofilament part, and Flexlite synthetic hair all work together to create a wig that's easy to wear and looks realistic. If you're someone who wears wigs often, this could be a staple in your collection. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Sweet Talk Wig, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what your experience was like. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.